What's up, everyone? So you just got your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and now you have to make the real decision of how are you gonna protect it. And when it comes to cases, there's pretty much two types of people. Team Minimal, who want something that's slim and still shows off their phone, and Team Tank, who needs protection, well, for literally everything. Today, ESR might have the perfect cases for both of the camps. We've got their slim classic hybrid series and their rugged cyber tough magnetic series. And I love that name, by the way. And to kick off our very first partnership with ESR, they're giving away all of my subscribers a 25% discount code on all of these cases. Remember, subscribers only, all right? So if you want to grab that deal, make sure you're subbed up to the channel and have notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of the deals in the future. All right, so enough of that. Without further ado, we're about to find out if one of these cases is going to be worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get into it.
All right, let's start with the classic hybrid. This is for you if you want a slim, pocket-friendly case that still offers solid protection. But let's be honest, the star of the show here is gonna be this guy. ESR calls it the stash stand, and it's brilliant. It's built right into the camera frame, and it's made of a durable zinc alloy, so it feels incredibly strong and not flimsy at all. And it just disappears whenever you're not using it. I love the design and finish of this kickstand, and I think it goes pretty well with my silver white iPhone that I have here. You can prop your phone up vertically for scrolling or horizontally for watching videos. The hinge is going to be strong and adjustable, unlike some of the cheaper options that you find these days. And since we're on the back here, the camera area is going to be pretty well protected as well. They've left some room around the camera cutouts in case you want to install those camera lens protectors, which is a nice touch. And overall, the camera island, or the camera plateau as Apple calls it, is pretty well protected. Now let's talk about the rest of the case. The fit is going to be excellent, which is to be expected from a company like ESR. It's perfectly snug, easy to get on, and all the cutouts are pretty precise. And as far as screen protection is concerned, there's a significant amount of lip that goes around the screen to protect it from everyday scratches in case you like to keep your phone screen down. And you have this little extra raise in the corners to protect the screen in case of drops. In my case, I have a screen protector on, and as you guys can see, it's almost flush with the lip. The buttons are very tactile. You definitely feel the press, but they're not going to be super clicky. It's a firm, quiet feedback, which kind of gives you that premium feeling. All right, now let's talk about the most important topic in an Apple iPhone case, which is going to be, you guessed it, the magnets, and of course, the MagSafe. The magnets here are exceptionally strong. Like on a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably give them 9.5 out of 10. And ESR rates them at 1500 grams of pull force, and you can feel it definitely. All of your accessories are gonna just dunk onto the charger with a pretty strong connection. Now this clear version is gonna be great for showing off your iPhone's color, but ESR also sent over their frosted green version, and to be honest, I think I like this one better. Let's go ahead and swap them out real fast. And as you guys can see, that looks pretty awesome if you ask me. The reason I'm a big fan of these frosted backs is the fact that they give you that same translucent look, but are going to be so much better at resisting fingerprints and smudges, which are going to be a bit more visible on that clear case option if you have butterfingers like I do. So this option just looks cleaner, and it's also available in many other finishes on the ESR website, and you're going to get all the same great features. We have the stash stand here, the strong magnets, and of course the great fit and finish of the case. This one is a big W in my book. All right, but what if you're like me and the slim profile is just not enough sometimes? What if you need, well, more? That's where the Cyber Tough case comes in. This is for you if you're serious about protection, and right off the bat, this thing just feels solid. This is ESR's ultra protective option. It's a 3-layer case with a hard polycarbonate back, a flexible TPE shell, and pour-on line corners to eat up all the impacts that you throw at this guy. We're talking about 7x military grade protection, and the ESR rates this for 23-foot drops. So if you're juggling your phone, car keys, and a coffee at the same time, this is going to be what you want. It's definitely thicker than the classic option, but for a rugged case, it's not built like a tank. It still feels great in the hand, and is surprisingly pocket friendly. Now let's talk about the buttons. This is a big difference from the classic case that we just saw. The buttons on this case are going to be part of that soft rubbery inner liner, so they're not going to be too clicky. It's more of a firm, tactile press. You definitely feel the press, and it's not going to be that super loud click. They're really easy to find without looking, and they get the job done. But for button feel, I would definitely consider the classic option. Another really nice touch is going to be this little cover over the USB port. This is going to be a lifesaver for keeping out dust or pocket lint or whatever else that you have in your pocket. And honestly, it makes a really comfortable pinky rest when you're holding the phone for a longer period of time. So it's a really smart design. And since we're on the back, the best part, you don't have to choose between features and protection. This case is going to have that same exact awesome zinc alloy stash stand built right into the camera bump, and it's going to be just as strong, just as adjustable, and just as hidden as the one in the classic. You love to see it, man. And finally, let's talk about, well, you guessed it, the magnets. Just like the classic, the MagSafe here is exceptionally strong. It's got that same 1500 grams of pull force, so you get that super satisfying thunk onto the charger every single time. This one that I have here is in black, but there's some other options that are going to be on their website to check out as well. For me, this is the one for total peace of mind without turning your phone into a big brick. So it's also a big W in my book.
That's it for this one, guys. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these cases are you going to be picking up for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And don't forget, since it's our first partnership with ESR, they gave us that 25% discount code just for you guys. I put the links for both the classic and the cyber cases down in the description along with that discount code right below that like button, so you make sure you get that deal. Using those links is the best way to support the channel and save yourself some cash at the same time. Big thanks to ESR for sending these out and supporting the channel. A huge shout out to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.